President Draupadi Murmu has accepted the resignation of Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and sent it to the Home Ministry. The notification is going to be issued shortly. Essentially, Aishwarya, this is now the government. The President's office was, as per protocol, accepting the resignation. The government will be formally announcing that Jagdeep Dhankar ceases to be the Vice President of the country, isn't it? It's a big development we're reporting on. Things have moved swiftly, given that he resigned just late last night.
Well, definitely, the acceptance is something that Sneha, everyone was very keenly looking at. What are the reasons behind it? Will this also impact the working of the Lok Sabha? That's something that the opposition parties now have been asking, and they are also saying that we need to understand the exact reason. In fact, Jairam Ramesh time and again has taken on to X and said that he's the one who met Dhankar, and when he met Jagdeep Dhankar, the Vice President, the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, everything seemed fine. What happened in those 4 hours? That's the big question. In fact, there's also a theory coming in from the opposition leaders. They are saying that it was the government, in fact, which was looking at moving against Jagdeep Dhankar. Maybe an impeachment also was in the works. That's something that the opposition at the moment is claiming, Sneha.
That's right. It's a big story of the President now accepting the resignation of Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, who sent it late last night. Aishwarya, talk to us about what next. I know a lot of things are really in the realm of speculation, but the immediate task would be the appointment of the next Vice President, isn't it? Because as far as the functioning of the Rajya Sabha is concerned, at present the Vice Chairperson is doing that, is handling that.
Well, yes, we will see the Vice Chairperson handling that, and we will also see the government also now mulling on the names who will become next. There is an electoral college which will be set up. Nominated members also will be a part of it. We will have members from the Lok Sabha, from the Rajya Sabha. That's an election that will take place. The election will be conducted by the Election Commission of India. We are awaiting a notification also now since President Draupadi Murmu has accepted this resignation. It will now be sent to the Home Ministry. The next step will be the Election Commission of India coming out with a notification with the time and the date of when the election will be held. The big names, who will be the nominees, that's also something that is very keenly being looked at. The opposition, however, thinks that there is something fishy in this. They are not willing to believe this. They do not believe that it was the health which was the primary reason. They believe something has transpired in the last 24 hours. In fact, some of the opposition leaders also are saying that the MPs who were going inside the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's cabin in Parliament, they were the ones who were signing a paper, and on that paper was being taken, the signatures were being taken, and maybe later they were shown to the Vice President. This is a theory which has been given, of course, by the opposition. So we'll have to wait and watch, Sneha, how all these things pan out. But in our history, in Indian history, we've